Are you ready to supercharge the sale of your home? Today we are diving into marketing and why traditional methods just won't cut it anymore. In this module, you will discover how modern and digital marketing strategies can make a big difference in selling your home for the most amount of money in the least amount of time. Hi, I'm laurarosqvist with utahhomeslaura.com and I'm with Fathom Realty. The world has changed drastically over the last couple of years. The way we shop and how we get our news has totally changed, but why is it that the real estate industry is still stuck back in the 80s? Most agents are still using the same old marketing methods. Why traditional marketing isn't enough? Traditional marketing might get your home sold, but not as quickly and or for as much money as possible. The market has changed with fluctuating inventory, inflation, higher interest rates. Basic traditional marketing doesn't reach as many potential qualified buyers. The importance of digital marketing. Your listing agent needs to be tech savvy. They should know how to enhance traditional marketing with digital strategies. For example, simply posting on their Facebook page isn't enough. Effective digital marketing captures buyers who aren't always, already connected with that agent. It is the difference between 12 people seeing the property and 120,000 knowing your home is on the market. Impact of online presence. Good digital marketing ensures your home gets maximum exposure. For example, my ads get hundreds of hours of views compared to just a few minutes for others. According to the National Association of Realtors profile of the home buyer and seller, 67% of buyers walk through a home that they see online. Now imagine the impact of your home getting 555 hours versus just 55 minutes. Pre-marketing strategies. Effective marketing starts before your home goes on the market. If allowable, your agent should distribute just listed brochures both digitally and in person. They should have a yard sign and begin social media campaigns to create buzz. What about paid advertising and targeting? An exceptional agent will use paid advertising on social media to get thousands of views. They will use services to analyze consumer behavior and target buyers looking in your area. Paid ads with property tours can generate thousands of views, watch time, and lots of engagement. Regular updates and reverse prospecting. Your agent shouldn't just list your home on the MLS. They should do weekly posts and updates on various real estate sites to keep your home top of mind and in that top spot. They will also perform reverse prospecting searches to identify potential buyers who have interacted with similar homes in the past. Creative and effective marketing. Great agents don't create boring ads. They get creative with ways to attract the community and prospecting buyers to your home. They use search engine optimization on all of their online posts to ensure maximum visibility. Using multiple platforms. Online marketing should use platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. YouTube, by the way, is one of the largest search engines and it's essential for your home with great titles and captions being a must. Constant tracking and proactive adjustments. Once ads and posts are online, great agents don't just set it and forget it. They constantly track which ads are performing well and adjust as needed. They immediately contact any leads personally. If the home has many showings but no offers, it's time to adjust the price based on data. These things I explained are how a great marketing agent can make a world of difference in the selling of your home by leveraging modern digital marketing tools and strategies and can reach far more potential buyers and get the best possible outcomes for your sale. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.